ये प्रश्न लोग ज़रूर पूछ रहे हैं कि कैंडिडेट कोई भी हो, अच्छा हो बुरा हो, भ्रष्ट हो या भ्रष्ट न हो, गलत आदमी हो या सही आदमी हो, अगर कोई विरोध सिर्फ उसके पार्टी के आधार पर करे कि एक पार्टी को सिर्फ विरोध करना है और दूसरा कैंडिडेट कितना भी गलत हो उसका समर्थन करना है, तो इसमें एक महत्वपूर्ण प्रश्न चिन्ह लगता है। क्योंकि वोट दिया जाता है छवि पे, स्वरूप पर, इमेज पर, कार्य पर। ये नहीं कि सिर्फ एक पार्टी को अंधे रूप से विरोध करना है तो और कोई कैसा भी हो उसका समर्थन करना है। ये प्रश्न मैंने नहीं, ये प्रश्न सिविल सोसाइटी में कई लोगों ने पूछा है और खुद उन व्यक्तियों के समक्ष, जो व्यक्ति ये रुख अपना रहे हैं, उनके समक्ष ये प्रश्न उठाया गया है। और तीसरी बात, जो भी परिणाम होगा मैं समझता हूँ सबके लिए सर्वोपरि है। लोकतंत्र का परिणाम है, इसलिए इस पर हम टिप्पणी क्या करेंगे, परिणाम आने दीजिए। आ रहा हूँ कमेगा। I'll repeat the same answer in English since I have not given it in English. I am not here. I am not here to comment on what he or their team decides or not. You have to ask them. There is no question of my preempting a reply on that. But I have said, and I want to repeat, that there is a legitimate question mark which several sections of civil society themselves are raising and the Janta Janardhan is raising, as to why in a blanket manner your antipathy for a particular party is irrespective of the merits, the culpability, the image, the corruption-free or corruption-lipped attitude or standing of the other candidates. So these diktats have to be candidate-specific, not a blanket diktat against a party. This is the question which we are not raising, which several people have already raised. इधर एक उनके बाद वो इधर एक उनके बाद मैंने आंसर कर दिया है। मैंने उत्तर दे दिया आपको। करप्शन के अगेंस्ट कौन नहीं है, सबसे आगे तो हम हैं। मैंने अभी आपको 15 मुद्दों की सूची दी है। मैं जानना चाहता हूं कि किसी का बिना नाम लिए कोई राजनीतिक पार्टी या कोई सांस्कृतिक संस्था या कोई बॉडी इस देश में है, कम से कम पिछले 15, 20, 25 सालों में, जिसने इनमें से आधे भी आंशिक रूप से भी मुद्दे, इनिशिएटिव, नीतियां अपनाई हैं या कार्यान्वित की हैं। जब तक उस प्रश्न का उत्तर नहीं मिलता, आगे बढ़ने की हमें आवश्यकता नहीं है। एक मिनट। It's a free. Two or three points very clear. He was speaking at a memorial lecture in a democratic country, and in the ultimate analysis, so long as anybody observes the laws of the country, each is entitled to his own view. But there is no doubt that constitutional authorities have to exercise requisite restraint, which is due both to themselves, and they therefore have to practice unto others what they expect unto themselves. Secondly, it is clear that no constitutional authority is entitled to express any view on the policy making or the merits of a policy, except that they can express a view which will be treated entirely as their personal view. मैं समझता हूँ कि जो संवैधानिक संस्था या पदाधिकारी जिस प्रकार की टिप्पणी और व्यवहार बाकी संवैधानिक संस्थाओं, पदाधिकारियों, ऑर्गन्स ऑफ स्टेट से अपेक्षा करता है, वैसा ही व्यवहार और वैसी ही टिप्पणी उन्हें बाकियों के लिए करनी चाहिए। ये बड़ा स्पष्ट है कि नीति के आधार पर या नीति के मेरिट्स पर कोई एक संवैधानिक संस्था किसी दूसरी संवैधानिक संस्था या दूसरी संवैधानिक पदाधिकारी की नीति या उसके मेरिट्स पे टिप्पणी नहीं करती है। बाकी तो ये देश एक लोकतांत्रिक देश है, जिसको जो आए वो कह सकते हैं, अगर कोई कानून का उल्लंघन न हो। आंसर I am very sorry to hear this. I have no idea of the facts. If it is true, I don't think any right-thinking person will support it, but I have no idea of the facts. In fact, I have just come. नहीं, ये मेरे को अभी मैं आया हूँ वहाँ से, मुझे इसके बारे में कोई इल्म नहीं है. अगर कोई गलत काम हुआ है तो निश्चित रूप से अत्यंत खेद की बात होगी, लेकिन इसके बारे में तथ्य जानने पड़ेंगे. और अगर कोई हिंसा का वारदात है या कोई भी गैरकानूनी काम है तो इस पर कोई दो राय नहीं हो सकती कि निंदनीय नहीं, अत्यंत घृणात्मक चीज़ है, लेकिन इसके ऊपर तथ्य क्या है हम जानते नहीं हैं. आई एम हियर, डोंट वरी. I am not going to give you any answer as far as result is concerned, except to say that there are diverse views, and this is one of the very significant, important and weighty views which was expressed in Parliament earlier. The Law Minister has only repeated what has been said in Parliament by a leading MP. And secondly, this will depend on the collective wisdom as far as our committee is concerned. But it is certainly a very important point of view, a weighty point of view, and we shall certainly be considering it. In fact, it is an open secret that eminent constitutional experts, including former Chief Justices who have written about it, are deposing before our committee tomorrow. Former Chief Justices are deposing on this issue before our committee. So
you are mixing your two roles. You are now here as Congress spokesperson.
That's all right.
So you are supporting Rahul Gandhi's point of view, I hope.
You see, I have made it very clear that there is no conflict between any role. Tomorrow, constitutional experts and former Chief Justice of India are deposing on this issue. It's a valid and a very important point of view. What the committee will ultimately decide is for the committee. That's all.
And what is the Congress party's view on right to recall and right to reject?
I am not going to make a comment after the Prime Minister has spoken. Please refer to the Congress party's view is no different.
What is the
Congress,
view of the Prime
yes,
Minister?
please stick to his words. Please read the letter again. I don't have it with me, so I'm not going to read it. He has given a view. That's it. That's the view of the Congress party also.
Your view is you are looking at it.
Absolutely, same view.
You don't have a view on right to reject.
No,
You don't have
please
a view
read the letter which you have not read.
I have read the letter. I am saying with asking.
Nothing more, nothing less than that. Nothing more, nothing less.
The letter is vague as ever.
Our views are equally vague. मेरे को क्या मतलब उनके बयान को सपोर्ट या विरोध करने से? मैं उनके न उनको मेरी समर्थन की आवश्यकता है, न मेरे को ज़रूरत है उनको विरोध करने की, तो इस पर क्या टिप्पणी करूँगा मैं? किसने कहा है? मेरे को इसके बारे में कोई इल्म नहीं है. मैं नहीं समझता कि कोई भी हाई कोर्ट का आदेश इन शब्दों में लिखा गया हो जो आपने शब्द का उपयोग किया है. अगर ये शब्द का आदेश है तो उस आदेश को देख के मैं रिएक्ट करूंगा. अगर आदेश में लिखित रूप से नहीं है तो रिएक्ट करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है. In the last 1 week, you know very well that there have been focused meetings, focused deliberations on this delicate issue. Obviously, we cannot discuss with you in public and we cannot comment on a highly sensitive issue, but you can see that a diverse number of stakeholders have tried to move forward. I can only repeat what I have said earlier. Have patience, wait.
कांग्रेस अन्ना हजारे को अटैक भी करना चाहती है, लेकिन उस अटैक को ओन भी नहीं करना चाहती. जनरल सेक्रेटरी कहते हैं वो आरएसएस का समर्थन था उनको.
नहीं, मैंने आपको बताया कि एक दिन रुक जाइए. आप जनरल सेक्रेटरी साहब से बात करने के बाद फिर टिप्पणी की जाएगी, क्योंकि चिट्ठी मैंने आज देखी नहीं है. Well, this is a work in progress. This is a issue in the making. This has gone to the Home Ministry. It will be processed. This is, after all, the end product of almost 6 to 8 months of visits, personal meetings. So it has to be looked at carefully. We have not yet seen the nitty-gritty of the report, but obviously it's entitled to great weight. But ultimately, the decision will depend first on the processing of the Home Ministry and ultimately the Cabinet Government of India. So, but it's a move forward in that it has taken a large number of diverse views and put them together as a report. Now let's see where we go from there. Okay. You see, you are now asking the party to anticipate and give a view right in the middle when that very issue is gently, incrementally and purposefully going towards fruition. We do not want to muddy the waters in this way, especially in a sensitive matter like this. This report has come a couple of days ago. Give it time to be processed and we'll see how it develops. But we do believe that all such steps are a step in the right direction. We do believe that all such steps need to be supported, but the nitty-gritty of it will depend for some time. It has to go to the cabinet ultimately.
The Congress is going soft on the RSS support to Baba Ramdev and
I certainly do not agree with your adjectives and your subjective conclusions, but I have said what I wanted to say about all those issues. Thank you. This is old. First of all, you are asking 2, 3, 4 day old issues. You've already got replies to it. Why do you want to ask the same issue of different? Yeah. All I am saying is that that issue has been explained by other people from this podium. It has to be viewed holistically. I do not think anybody holds a brief for any blanket exemption or immunity. It was said in a totally different context, and therefore I think the interpretation which you are giving is not right. I don't know which person, I have never heard of this. Who are the persons? I have no idea. I'll check up the statement. I don't know. I think it's absolutely wild, nothing I've heard of, but I'll check up the statement and let you know. हो गया काम. We are doing neither. Nobody is doing anything. Who's discrediting the government? We are very proud that we are moving ahead for the first time, and we are very proud that the BJP is certainly not the one which is going to pass the Lokpal bill. There is no question of these are only sub-issues in the bill, and all constructive suggestions have to be looked at and given due weight. It's part of a constructive suggestion. Okay. These, I cannot answer to you specific incidents all over the country. If you have any complaint, why don't you go to the local police station where you live?